Alright, y'all, so I'm about to make me a plate. Hopefully I'll be able to get it out while I got y'all on my camera. I should be able to. Ooh. Getting too excited, Okay. About to drop a whole meatball. I swear I'm a handicap, y'all. Alright. I tell y'all, this smells so good. Whoever came up with this whole baked spaghetti idea was a genius. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna put this camera down so I can make my plate, and then I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Hey guys, so I'm about to taste my spaghetti, my baked spaghetti and meatballs. If you're seeing this video before the last video, just click the link and check it out. And this is what it looks like right here. From my eyesight, I see that there's a textural difference from when you just make it on top of the stove. They stick more together and they're like more, you know, hanging on to the sauce and the cheese. I already tasted it, as y'all can see, but I'm going to taste it for y'all. So. When I tell you, look, I can't even hold the camera right. Okay. Clearly I should have sat at my table, but my show was about to come on and I wanted to see it. Let's get into this meatball. This meatball, honey. With the grated onion and the parm and the spices. The meatballs are not overcooked because when we first cooked them, we didn't cook them to death while they were in the oven, so I need something to drink. I'm choking. I can't eat and talk, but I had to do this video for y'all. I really did, so I'm drinking iced tea if anybody want to know. I didn't make that tea, but I have a lot of drink videos if you guys want to check them out. Oh, I had a great weekend this past weekend. I did a catering for a barbershop. They had a barber appreciation day and the food turned out amazing. So I guess I'm gonna drop a couple pictures in this video so you guys can see what I made. It wasn't much, but it was really good. Y'all want some? I'm about to show y'all. You see how the noodles, look at this. They're not like separating. They're hanging on to the cheese and the sauce. The meatballs. The meatballs, honey, is the star of the show. And this is just good old garlic bread that I got from the freezer section. Y'all are spoiled because I don't do this. I will not eat on camera. I don't like doing it. I'm just not comfortable doing it, but I love y'all. Y'all ask all the time, so I'm going to talk and eat for a little bit because my show is going to come on soon. But yeah, the food turned out great, and yeah, they loved it. And then guess what, guys? So I made one of my famous drinks for the owner of the barbershop. He loved the drink. I'm also probably going to drop that clip below so you guys can check it out. Yeah, so if you're in Houston, Texas, book me and get your life. I'm eating some good food like this. Look. And a meatball with the cheese. I'm all up in the camera. Oh, look at my messy drawer back there. It's good. Has a little kick from the pepper flakes. I taste all the cheese. Only difference I would do next time, I'll probably use fresh cheeses, because I didn't like how the cheese sat up on the top. But, you know, sometimes you just use what you have. It's so good, guys. And it's not a flavor thing so much as it is a textural thing. Because once you make spaghetti, you make spaghetti. Spaghetti is spaghetti. Baking it, frying it, boiling it, spaghetti is spaghetti. But for whatever reason, the texture, it's a textural thing for me. I love it. So this video will be played right after my spaghetti. If you see this video, click below. Watch how I made it. Comment. Let me know what you think. And try it out. Let me tell you something. For all you bougie people, go to the supermarket freezer section. Good old Texas toast. You don't have to go to the bread section and get that $5 bread or whatever that is. Put the garlic, the butter, the cheese, and all of that. You don't need to do all that. Go straight to the freezer section. Pick it up and keep it moving. Alright, y'all. So my show's about to start. It's good. It's good. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. I hope you guys share my recipe. And I'll see y'all next time on my next video. Follow me on social media so you guys don't miss anything. And I'll see y'all next time. And oh, enjoy those pictures because I'm going to put them in the video. And again, if you're in Houston, Texas and you need a caterer or a chef, hit me up. Bye, guys.
Mesha's corner. Let's see what it tastes like. Boy, got the real berries in that thing. Get that.